So when you come here, you may face some problem if you are a new user. Okay, so I will try to organize that course so that anyone can use this course or anyone can learn AutoCAD from very basic to professional way. So first of all, when you come here, then you see that they have no menu bar. Okay, so how you will see the menu bar, I'll show you on that part. Just simply click here. Okay, just click here in that option, and here you will see show menu bar. Just simply click here to show menu bar. Just see here the menu bar option is available. And also if you want to remove that, simply click here and again hide menu bar. That's it. So we need to show our menu bar. I'll just click here to show menu bar. So in this way we can appear and disappear our menu bar perfectly.